going on, everybody? Khalid here, aka Smoove Flipper, and it's currently 1:45 p.m. I'm in the parking lot at Walmart. I just picked up a phone. I'm gonna show you guys the phone that I picked up so far today. This morning I woke up kind of late, around 9:45. Later than I normally wake up. I usually wake up around 7:30. But I went to bed, last night around 3. So, started the day kind of late, but, picked up some phones. When I first woke up, I checked my phone, got some leads, and was replying to them while I was still in bed, and closed 2 deals. So, the first deal I'm going to show you guys is an iPhone 7 for AT&T. It's unlocked. iPhone 7 for AT&T, I paid $250 for it, in hopes of, making about $100 in profit on this one. So the good thing about this one and the other 2 phones I'm going to show you guys, the guy who I bought the phone from, he is a manager at AT&T, so phones are all good to go. They're paid off. He upgraded to the X. Him and his wife and kids upgraded to the X. And these phones are unlocked, AT&T unlocked, all right? So I paid $250 for this one, and I didn't know he had these 2 other phones. So he only told me he had 1 phone, and then he brought his other phones with him. So the other phone that I picked up was an iPhone 6 Plus. You guys can see, decent condition. I paid $120 for this. So this is AT&T unlocked again, $120 for it. I'm pretty sure I can sell this on eBay for about $240. So that's a good chunk of profit there. And then he had another one. This was his wife's. This is a 6S Plus. I don't know if you guys see the S, but I ended up paying $180 for this one. So all together for all 3 phones, I paid $550 for it, in hopes of getting about a $350 profit on them. Now, other phone that I have on that I picked up just right now was this brand new sealed iPhone 8 for AT&T. So whenever you guys are coming across these brand new iPhone 8s, or excuse me, just brand new phones in general, I tend to just appraise them as bad ESN. You don't want to take that chance of selling it as a clean ESN, and then they come back and biting you in the butt, and you ended up losing that own money. So these brand new phones, people, upgrade and then just sell them. They do what they want to do, but this phone is only going to be sold for parts only. The good thing about this phone is I have a buyer who buys most of my brand new or new open box phones. So if it's like new, never been used, never been activated, sealed still, or it's new, without the seal but still open box. I get those from time to time, but I already have a buyer who has this price list that he sends me. Every other week he'll send me a price list, so I kind of have that to work with. So this is already sold for, this is guaranteed money right here. So this is $100 profit. I paid $400 for it. My buyer's gonna give me enough to where I can profit $100 on this one. So that's what I have for right now. Hopefully I can pick up a couple more. I got about 15 messages that I still have to get to. I've been driving everywhere, and the bad thing about this one, on this phone I bought, I told the guy to meet me at this place. He ended up meeting me at, a spot that was about 15 minutes away, and he said he was, pressed for time. He couldn't drive back that way. So I took the chance and met up with him, and everything's all good to go, and we're set. So I'm going to, check back in with you guys when I pick up some more phones, and I will see you then. All right, guys, so it's 5:30 right now, and I'm about to head to the gym. In the meantime, I've been, replying to messages and stuff. Had a guy message me back. I made a deal with him on 2 Galaxy S8s, a Galaxy S8 and an S8 Plus for $200 a piece. Now, this guy's an hour away from me, so he was backing up all of his stuff, him and his wife's stuff, and could not meet last night around like 8 because it was taking too long. So we set up a time to meet, and just about 30 minutes ago, I messaged him just to check in to see if we were still meeting at 7. So something kind of weird happened. I mean, it wasn't too weird, but it was kind of sketchy in my opinion. I'm just gonna go over it really quick. So I like to meet most of my my pickups at Starbucks. Starbucks is good, it's safe, it's inside. There's Wi-Fi. Everybody likes Starbucks, so I usually meet at Starbucks. It's a safe place to meet. And I told the guy, I said, hey, we can meet at the Starbucks, and give him the address and everything. And then he goes, is it okay if we meet at Dutch Bros? Dutch Bros is another coffee place, but it doesn't have a dining. You can't dine in, so there's no it's only drive-through. So mind you, it is about 38 degrees out here in Idaho, and it's windy, so it's a lot colder than that. So I didn't want to meet outside. It doesn't make sense to meet outside after I've told him, hey, I can meet you inside. So I figured the safest thing to do is to meet you inside. So he was kind of weird about that. He was like, why do you want to meet me inside? Why, how come we can't meet at Dutch Bros? I prefer Dutch Bros. So, I'm thinking like, this guy's driving an hour away. So, obviously he needs the cash, but it didn't make sense to me that he would choose, to meet outside rather than inside, where there's cameras, there's people there, employees are there. It just was backwards. It was backwards to me. So I finally convinced him to meet inside. I told him, I was like, look, man, it's like cold outside. I don't want to meet outside and have to inspect both of your phones outside, have you sign a bill of sale outside, do everything outside. It's just like no point when we can just go inside. And the Starbucks was like literally like 2 minutes away. So he finally agreed to it and all that. So I'm gonna be picking that up after I work out. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted after the workout. I'm gonna see you guys after the workout, and then I'm gonna see you guys after the pickup, before and after the pickup, excuse me. All right, so I'll see. What's going on, guys? It is currently 9:22 p.m. I am finished for the day, and just wanted to give you guys a little recap on the pickups that I got and just everything else. So first and foremost, I do apologize about the lighting. I know it's not the greatest, and I will be getting some lights so I can make more videos at night. So yeah, get that out the way. So let's recap. So earlier in the other clips, I did pick up some phones. I picked up this iPhone 6s Plus for AT&T. It's unlocked. Picked it up for $180. I picked this one up, the AT&T unlocked as well, 6 Plus for $120, and the iPhone 7, also AT&T unlocked, for $250. I know you guys saw, where's that phone? The brand new iPhone 8, 64 gigabytes sealed, no issues. This one's already paid for as far as my buyer already got to that one. And after I worked out, I told you guys that I was gonna pick up 2 more phones. So I did pick those phones up, the S8 and the S8 Plus. So here's the S8 and here's the S8 Plus. Now I'm gonna take them out of the packaging so you guys don't think I'm just BSing you guys. There you go. That is the S8 for Verizon. So it's Verizon and Clean ESN. And take this S8 Plus out of the package real quick and show you guys. And that is the S8 Plus. So there you guys goes. The proof is right there. Today was a pretty solid day for me. Six phones. I haven't calculated the profit. I know it's this is going to be probably a 500 plus profit day for sure when I do all the calculations. So a good solid day. Like I said, not every day is going to be like this. Tomorrow I could not buy a phone, but that's the beauty of the business. You make 500 bucks in a day with little to no work. You know, I drove maybe a total of 45 minutes to get these phones and made $500. Um, you know, you can't get any better than that, guys. So again, if you guys are enjoying these kind of videos, you know, I'm starting to enjoy them a little bit more. You know, for you guys to follow me throughout the day. If you do enjoy the videos, please like the videos. I do appreciate the support on my last video. I thought you guys were not going to like the video, but you guys ended up liking it. I do appreciate that. So if you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Give me some more video ideas, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.